Hey there, and welcome back to Richard's Toy Room. New video for you today. Again, not touching on any of the items from my sneak preview video, unfortunately. I don't have the parts to do a lot of those yet, and some of the stuff's still in boxes from moving to the new house. So anyway, I picked this up on my vacation at a flea market. It's complete. It's got the original stickers. A couple of them need to be touched up here with they're kind of peeling in a couple of spots, but besides that, it looks like they're all there, and it looks like it's in excellent shape. There's very little wear on it at all. Everything seems to work on it. The wings. Here's all the guns. Unfortunately, there is one problem with it. Here's the button for the sound effects. You got nothing, so you go, whee! It's probably just needs batteries or something. Well, yes and no. Unfortunately, somebody left them in here, and they have turned into a mess. So that is our project. We have to get this thing working again, get these batteries out of here, and hope that whatever is inside here is not totally destroyed. And that is what will be the focus of this video. I haven't attempted to get these out yet, so I don't even know how hard these are going to be even to just get out, let alone make this work again. Really don't want to get battery acid everywhere. I don't even know where some of that went. Oh boy. I may have to find a pair of needle nose pliers. I think what I'm going to try first is to actually disassemble it. Screws back here. That's interesting. That's the speaker in the back. Ah, another screw under there. Sneaky, sneaky little Kenners. Oh, there it goes. It's almost falling apart now. Didn't sound good. Well, it looks like they came out. They're really stuck in there, though. down in here if I can. It looks pretty good, just needs a little bit of cleaning as far as I can tell. So, anyway, let's see. Oh, there's some more screws in here to take this top part off. We might as well do that since we have to clean this anyway. There we go. So, what's left is this part down here with all the electronics and battery contacts and stuff. It looks like should be able to clean that fairly easy. Maybe I'll pour a little vinegar down in there or something and let it clean off those contacts. Everything else looks pretty good, just the contacts seem to be kind of messed up a little bit. Okay. We got these to get out of here. Yeah, there we go. Now, a little bit of cleaning. Yuck. I wonder how old these are. Well, they're old enough that I can't find a use-by date on them. And they stopped using these little test buttons here a long time ago. Okay, well, it wasn't as bad as I thought. There was very little actual corrosion on the parts. So the worst part that I had to do was take this clip out from in here. It had a screw in it, and I just wire brushed it off, and it cleaned right up. So we need to put that back in. This itty bitty little screw here. And I put new batteries in, and it works. So all we really need to do is put it all back together, glue down that one or two decals that are coming loose on the edge, put the batteries in, and test it. It really doesn't even need cleaning. Now, if I can remember how it went back together. Anywho, let's see. Let's get these pieces back in. Go on next. Okay. So we got nose cone. It's interesting how they redesigned this to take out the little laser LED light in the front there that was on the original, which didn't make much sense anyway, because I don't believe that's where they fire from. That's probably why they eliminated it. Do that, put on the guns here. Okay, so here we are. Batteries are in. Everything's back together. It's been tested. Everything works. I glued down the 2 or 3 stickers that were peeling up a little bit, so everything looks pretty good. I didn't even really have to clean it. It's not even dusty or dirty or anything. Now, I wanted to have a vintage Luke pilot, X-Wing pilot for this, but I don't know where he is right now because, like I said, I haven't really unpacked everything from moving because I don't really have anywhere to display stuff until I get the toy rooms started to get built with display cabinets and shelving and stuff like that. So he's in a box somewhere, unfortunately. But you'll see him someday when I get it all done. He'll be in there, and he'll be next to the Millennium Falcon, and which I still have to finish. I'm still trying to find 2 more pieces for it, and I will finish that video, I promise. As soon as I can find a landing gear strut at a reasonable price. I mean, I can find them, but I'm not paying outrageous prices for them. And the only other part I'm missing is the training ball and arm, which I'm not overly concerned about, but it'd be nice to have it just to have it complete. Anyway, I'm going off tangent here. So here's the X-Wing, and we can show you that everything is working on it. Kind of hard to do this one hand. I'm trying to. There's the takeoff sound, or the, well, I'm not sure what it's called. When you open the X-Wings, it makes that noise. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed that video. Subscribe, tell a friend, come again. Well, golly, look what I found. 1978 Luke Skywalker X-Wing pilot. I know this is a 95, as we've discussed during this video, but I don't have a 95 pilot to put in them. Well, I do, but it's my son's and it's in a tub somewhere. But this is mine, and he's going in, and he's going to be the pilot. Ready for takeoff, Luke.